Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just fetching in some of my Pelargoniums. It's just getting a little bit too cold from out there at the moment. So, just get the aperture right and the time's right. Should be able to see it nicely now. This is one that I call, this is one called, here we go, a decorative Pelargonium, our Jeanette. There we go. Take the times right on it. There we go. Our Jeanette, dark maroon, white eyes. You can see here. There we go. Beautiful. Got a bit of raindrops on, but absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, I'm going to be taking cuttings off these. These are some that fell off in the high wind, so I put these up probably a week ago. I'm going to be just taking some more off. So all I need to do, need trim back this time of year anyway, so you can trim them really hard, like so. Some more there. I should really be using my right, well, here we go. I've given them a really good cut back. Just need to get the dead leaves off now, because you leave these on, you get fungal, you can get fungal infections when they start rotting, so you don't want that all the way around. What I'll do with this is, once it's, I'll get a good cut back, I shall let that sprout then and decide what else to take off. Once it's under the grow lights and growing strongly again. But yeah, use a peat-based compost, and they really seem to enjoy that. So yeah, that will go in the greenhouse, and now I'm left with all this material. It just seems a shame to chuck this away, so this plant cost me £7 or £8 just for a small cutting. So all I'm going to do with these now is just trim these up and then get some more free plants off it, which I can't wait for. So let's just get it over here. Got this one here. Them over there. So first thing is cut all the flower heads off, because you don't want to put in any energy into producing flowers. Like so. And then this one cuts off just like so. That's it. Really enjoy doing this. It's free plants, especially when it can be so expensive. So I'll split that in two, just there, like so. Peel back the leaves. Normally just break off like so. Any of these little side shoots, the little furry bits there, take them off because they can rot. So yeah, take them off like so, and then just in here, a little dibber or a prodder, make a hole in like that, compost around it. That was already been in like so, like that. And see, I've got a lot more to do. That's basically how to take cuttings off your waste material with your Pelargonium geraniums. If I get 75–85%, I'll be happy. Might even get higher than that, but it should all take. And then I've got some lovely flowers for next year. Oh yeah, and by the way, this fell off in high winds about a week ago. So I just thought, oh, nice flowers on it. Put it in some water. I noticed it was getting quite manky, the water, so there's a little bit of bleach in there. And now, if you can see, hopefully you can, just start to get some roots on it. So let's see if we can enlarge it. Just there, really happy with that. See, the roots just start to form there. So yeah, keep an eye on that. I just put it in the water just because I thought the flowers are beautiful. I'm going to get a free cutting out of it. I'm well happy. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. If you're on Facebook, please follow me and please give me a like. Thank you very much, everybody, and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.